looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family? Then take a look at this 2020 Jeep Compass Latitude in Redline Pearl. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, rear window wiper and washer, deep tinted sunscreen glass, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 31,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, select terrain system, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjv.com. Stock number 472928.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.